we need to obtain the value of x. So let us begin. So here we have log of x plus 1 plus log of x minus 1. So we'll do one thing. First, let's write it down as it is. We have log of x plus 1 added to log of x minus 1. So that's equals to log of 11 plus. So here we have 2 log of 3. What we can do here, we can use the property that if we have a times log of b, that will be equals to log of b raised to the power of a. So using that property, we will have log of 3 squared. Right. We have used this property so that in the next step, we can add the 2 logarithm on the left hand side and the 2 logarithm on the right hand side as well. Using the property, if we have log of a added to log of b, then the result is equivalent to log of a times b. Right. So let's use this property. We have log of x plus 1 plus log of x minus 1. So we have log of x plus 1 multiplied to x minus 1. So this is equals to log of 11 multiplied to, so we have 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9. Right. So that gives us log of x plus 1 multiplied to x minus 1. So this will be x squared minus 1. That's equals to log of 99. Now since we have logarithm on both sides with each of them having a base of 10, that means we can equate them by getting rid of the logarithm to get x squared minus 1 equals to 99, or we can say x squared will be equals to 100. So the value of x is going to be equals to plus or minus 10. But the problem here is we can have only one value of x, and that's going to be a positive value. That means x can only take the value positive 10. It cannot take the value negative 10, because if we have negative 10, then this will give us a negative log of negative 10 plus 1, which is log of negative 9, and this is undefined. We can only have values, that means log of x is defined for all values of x greater than 0 only. For all values of x less than 0 or equals to 0, it is invalid. So our value of x is going to be equals to 10.